Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, USDJPY to the analysis. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we have a bearish engulfing candle. So it's quite evident and crystal clear that this last week's blue candle is engulfed by, it's quite common scenario, quite common as in quite visible to my eye, that in the weekly, if we have the engulfing candle, then next week is going to be, like that. So this week which has ended as engulfing red candle in weekly. Weekly is a higher time frame, mate. Okay, so if engulfing candle happens in weekly, then the coming week is going to be down short. Okay, so daily chart, we are below the EMA. Rejection is coming from the EMA here. Okay, so this is the start of a new downtrend, maybe pullback, or maybe these two candles were pullback and will just go down. The time will tell. Coming back to 4-hour, in 4-hour we have one thing here. So in 4-hour, rejection will come from the EMA. Okay, so I think we will go up until the EMA and then we will go down. So we have the bearish engulfing candle in weekly. So in 5 days, USDJPY will go down. That's what I think, because this is a higher time frame weekly and we have to respect that. So bearish engulfing in weekly, which means the whole week, coming week, has to be red for USDJPY. Okay, coming back to 4-hour, if I had to enter short, I will wait for the rejection from the EMA, red candle engulfing, and then I'll go short. So that's what I have. But again, the same thing here. US dollar is being manipulated right now. They are not releasing the news and stuff like that. So your movement will depend mainly on London and Japanese market sessions. Okay, so look for shorts in USDJPY. That's all I have to say. And go and watch my other videos about these pairs. And like, subscribe. And if you want to trade non-USD pairs like these ones, if you want the signals, then go and check out my premium signals. Because I think these days it's good that we should not trade USD pairs, because they are trying to manipulate things. So it's a better idea to trade non-USD pairs. At least that's what I think. Okay, so go and check out these links, subscribe, like blah blah blah. I'll see you in my next video. So then take care.